In today's video, I'll be putting a big graphics card, a full-size video card, in this Dell XPS 8300 computer you see right here. The first thing we're going to do is remove the cover. To do that, you just need a Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew this screw here. Take both hands and pull this out. It's hard to do with one hand, so let me just take it out with two hands like that. It's done. Okay. So the next thing is I need to, before you do this, make sure you have long SATA cables, because the cables that came with this computer were very short, and I had a problem putting in the graphics card because of these short cables, so I put in longer SATA cables so I wouldn't have the same problem. So next thing we want to do is remove the the PCI cover, slot cover. That out. We're going to remove this PCI slot cover here. Just remove the other one also. You might, if it gets in the way, so remove both for now. What I'm going to do now is put the graphics card in there. I think it will be better if we just go with it, get it in this way. Like that, you can get it in, slide it under. Align this with the PCIe slot, the graphic card with the PCI slot, and just push it in. You get a better angle. Can't really see very well. This angle I can't see very well, so I'm gonna get it this way. I think that's better. Let me see. That's my phone. That's good. Getting in this way at this angle. If you put it in wrong and you need to take it out, there's a little lever here. You just push it to this way to release the card. You have to remove it. Okay, I think it's in there pretty good now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of the PCI slot covers back in. This one. And I'm going to close the PCI slot cover. You don't have to screw in anything, you just align it this here. Make sure you push it in. Whoops. Push it in, slide it down like that, and then screw it back in to lock it. Okay, that's good. So I think there's a PCI, 6-pin PCI power connector for this power supply that came with this computer. Here it is. It goes in this way. The clip is here. Put it in exactly this way. Push this, hold it, push it in, snaps into place. That's it. So the graphics card is in. You should be able to use it now. Let's close the case. Just get it in like that. Close just screw the Phillips screw back in. That's pretty much it. That's it. Thank you for watching.